Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. Nah. Y'all can't do it like me. Nah. Y'all can't do it like me. Nah. Y'all can't do it like me. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. Nah. Y'all can't do it like me. Nah. Y'all can't do it like me. Yeah. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Nah. Check it like pair Nikes. I keep it rocking up and I get it popping in a fresh white tee. Oh, so now you make songs. Now you wanna sing along. I bet you do it all wrong. I am a king and you are a pawn. I've been talking about stocks. I've been giving out lots. Pulling up like it was socks. This shit is heavy as rocks. You was just pulling up the box. Telling you drowning, you looking around and I know you be biting my style. Biting my style. Think you must be wild? I ain't aroused. It's just how I get down. Yeah, we were here first. Talking all the big. She was in the back talking all the shit. We was grinding, making all the hits. Now you jealous and you can't stand it. Bitches been here, you ain't been there. Circle tight, yeah, you been square. It's time to open the letter. Hope you don't fall out the letter. I know you're tight, that you be frightened. You was control, hit the like button. Getting no dab, think you can rap. I'm laughing, let's see what you writing. Stick to the script, can't do it like this. Look at the wrist with the assist. Ill as a kid, rocking with rich, can't stop till a million hits. Yo, headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. Nah. Y'all can't do it like me. Nah. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. 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 Now I don't wanna say no names and you'll blow like propane. Cause cloud riding is so lame, my rhymes fresh like cocaine. It's funny you copy the whole thing. Scarecrow, you got no brain. You can test the boy, no shame. My crew looking like Soul Train. Look in the other direction. You are not part of the section. You do not make an impression. You should just change your profession. Yeah, this is years in the making. You can't just copy the page. This is experience, idiots. Listen, you can't copy the wave. Nah, I'm just playing keys. Fucking with Rich TV. The platform is growing. I know that it's showing. We like 60,000 people deep. This is original, no subliminal. We maximize, you minimal. This is critical, analytical. You hysterical. This is a miracle. You other cats are so boring. On your channel, I'm snoring. Why you hitting recording? You should just die off horribly. Your other cats so boring. On your channel, I'm snoring. Why you hitting recording? You should just die off horribly. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. Nah. Y'all can't do it like me. Nah. Y'all can't do it like me. Nah. Y'all can't do it like me. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me.
Alrighty, so there's some crazy stuff going on. So first and foremost, I love to break the news and the rumors first. So we had members messaging me today, and I've been really busy. And I've been busy putting up your videos. Thank you guys for your videos. I appreciate you guys. I respect you guys. I love you guys. Those videos are amazing. And I've been putting up your videos today. And I've been getting messages, and there's so much news. So first news is that Major League Baseball is allowing cannabis use, both at the major league level and the minor league level. They are removing cannabis off the list of banned substances. This is a huge breakthrough for cannabis. And of course, your boy, we got to bring it first. We got to break it first. So this is a huge breakthrough for cannabis that it has now been. Remember, Aurora Cannabis is working with the UFC and now Major League Baseball. Major League Baseball is removing cannabis from the banned substances list. That's huge. The next piece of news. Rumor has it that the Ontario Cannabis Store on Monday will be announcing that they will be opening up and authorizing 500 stores in Ontario. That's right, 500 stores in Ontario. So, Major League Baseball removes cannabis from the banned substances list. On the same day, there's a rumor going around that the Ontario Cannabis Store on Monday will announce 500 stores opening up in Ontario. That is going to be epic. I believe there's currently 24 stores in Ontario. Moving up to 500 with the potential to move up to 1,000. And apparently this will be announced on Monday. So everybody's been asking, why did the cannabis stocks go up? To me, those are two huge catalysts. Another catalyst is that everybody knows that all the institutions right now are buying cannabis stocks because they're at 52-week lows. They're at the lowest they've been since 2017. So why wouldn't they be buying? Of course they're buying. Of course they're buying. The question is, are you buying? What's happening next week? Edibles is getting legalized in Canada. Cannabis-infused beverages will be on shelves with edibles in Canada next week. Major League Baseball just removed cannabis from the banned substances list. And the Ontario Cannabis Store on Monday might just announce that they're going to allow licensing for 500 plus stores as of Monday. It's true. It's true. It's true. Thank you guys for being here. We got 1 like. We got 9 people here. Thank you guys for joining me on your Thursday night. Dan is asking if I'm at my mom's house. Well, actually, my mom is in Portugal. I'm in Vancouver. My sister's in the Cayman Islands. My dad is in Toronto. So no, I'm not at my mom's house. But the one thing you'll notice about me is I'm in lots of different places all the time. Sometimes you're going to see me in a house. Sometimes you're going to see me in a condo. Sometimes you're going to see me in a townhouse. Sometimes you'll see me in a mansion. Sometimes you'll see me in an office. Sometimes you'll see me at the beach. Sometimes you'll see me on the street. You see me in lots of places. It's true. It's true. How you doing, Samson Tai in West Vancouver? How you doing in West Vancouver? So there's a lot of reasons why the cannabis stocks are starting to take off. There's a lot of catalysts, not to mention the fact that we are at a bottom and the lowest we have been since 2017. Rob says, I bought today ACB and OGI, Rich. I hope you win big, Rob. I hope you win big, brother. I really do. We need to invest in the best right now. We need to position ourselves in the best and invest in the best. We need to position ourselves in the best and invest in the best. Levon says, resurrection, end of tax season. I mean, it'd be nice to start right now. We had a nice green day today. We were up nicely in Canada, up a little bit in the US. But I think this is just the start. I think this is just the start. And I think the upside from here is tremendous. I think the upside from here is absolutely tremendous. Samsung Tai says, yes, Rich, I think it's time. And I heard China-US deal soon. A lot of catalysts coming. US-China trade deal, edibles next week, more stores opening up in Ontario, companies getting it right. I hear that there's going to be more funding coming back into cannabis. We're in a melt up right now in the cannabis sector, and in the broader markets, we are going to see huge explosion. I think Bitcoin will explode. I believe 5G will explode. So I think that we're in the midst of a very magical time for investors. And I believe that we are launching and starting a brand new decade. And I don't think people realize how big that is. It's a new decade, people. It's not just a new year, it's a new decade. It's big. It's big. And I'm ready for 2020. Are you ready for 2020? That's the question. What do I think about labs? I love labs. I think these prices for labs are unbelievable. Pete Ferraro says more stores coming for Ontario. When and how many? The rumor is they are going to, the Ontario Cannabis Store is going to announce 500 stores on Monday. That's the rumor. Apparently, the rumor is they're going to announce 500 stores with room to grow up to 1,000 as of Monday. That's the rumor that is circulating on Twitter. Don't kill the messenger boy. I am strictly the messenger boy. I am not the Ontario Cannabis Store. I am not Health Canada. I'm strictly Rich TV Live. I'm strictly the messenger man. I'm an Aquarius. I pour water for the rest of humanity to drink. And that's it. Don't kill the messenger man. I just deliver the message. I just want you to know the news first. Samsung says, everyone hit the like button for Richie Rich. Thank you, Samsung. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Pete Ferraro says 2020 is going to be awesome. Guys, look at all the stocks. Outside of cannabis stocks, 2019 was awesome. We can't allow other stocks to go up while we're putting our money in something that's going down. That can never happen again. 2019 was an amazing learning experience for cannabis enthusiasts and cannabis investors because we learned what not to do. Do not invest in a sector that's going down when the rest of the world is going up. Probably not the greatest way to create value for yourself. So that was a mistake. But who knew that we were going to have 8 months of red? I don't think anybody really predicted that. So, it'd be nice to have this month of December be green and start off a rally for us to hopefully have 3 or 4 or 5 good months of red in a row. Rob says resurrection is coming soon. I agree. It's coming. Levon says, which stocks? Retail, Clearly, ISH, FAF. I think you also need to add Meta to that. From what I hear, Meta is looking to open up at least 30 stores in Ontario. So I think you need to add Meta to that. I think you need to add a lot of the companies to that. Some of the bigger companies like Aurora Cannabis, Afria, Canopy Growth. I'm sure they will all benefit from more stores in Ontario. Organigram, they will benefit from more stores in Ontario. Hexo, they will benefit from more stores in Ontario. All the major players in Canada will benefit from more stores in Ontario. Zenabis, these companies will benefit greatly from more stores in Ontario. Pete says, you see TerraSend? I bought the dip yesterday. It flied today, baby. Nice. Yeah, it was good to see the stocks go up. Hopefully we can have a consistent amount of momentum, because what we've had over the last 8 months is 1 or 2 or 3 days of euphoria. And we all think, okay, this is it. We're going to have life again. And then it just comes right back down. So it's been extremely frustrating, annoying, bothersome. It's not been good for cannabis stock investors. That's why we need to diversify as investors and as a community and take advantage of everything that is happening around us. If AMD is going up, we need to benefit from it. If Twitter's going up, we need to benefit from it. If Facebook's going up, we need to benefit from it. If Apple's going up, we need to benefit from it. We need to benefit from any move in the market. If gold is hot, we need to benefit. If oil and gas is hot, we need to benefit. As a community, we need to benefit wherever there is momentum. If something's going down, we need to make money on the way down. If something's going up, we need to make money on the way up. That's it. That's all. As a community, we need to be recession proof. Levon says Zena needs to open a store at the facility. Hey Don, how you doing, buddy? Thank you for joining. We're talking about the big news. Major League Baseball has removed cannabis, marijuana off the banned substances list. Huge. Ontario Cannabis Store is rumored to be announcing 500 new stores in Ontario as of Monday. That's the big rumor circulating on Twitter. And what else? What other big news? There is a market melt-up that's going to happen in 2019 to 2020. We've already started in 2019. We're in the middle of it, and it's going to continue into 2020. Bitcoin is going to explode in 2020, and due to the halving, which is happening March 20th, 2020, and 5G stocks are on the radar, on the watch list. We need to really focus and start positioning on 5G. 5G is the future. We need to take advantage of 5G. 5G. And the other big news is a lot of institutions are talking about buying stocks. They're buying cannabis stocks. The news is coming out. Everyone's positioning themselves. Companies like Aurora Cannabis are dirt cheap. Companies like Afri are dirt cheap. Companies like Canopy Growth have a lot of big boys positioning themselves. Companies like Chronos Group, billion-dollar player. People are positioning themselves, getting ready for the next big run because it's coming. And when it comes, the question is, will you be ready? I'm 100 grand deep, so I'm ready. Dustin Rice says, there's 2 left to pop, Agra and Zena, any day now. I own them both, so it'd be nice to see them go up, that's for sure. Levon says, like JWCA today. Yeah, whenever there's going to be a market jump, you're going to see some stocks have big days, right? The question is, can we see this consistently? Can we see some consistent movement? Not just, 1 or 2 or 3 days or a week or even a month. I want to see some consistent movement in the sector. I'd like to see the entire sector move. That's what I like to see for a while. Nice. We deserve it. I'm doing good, Wayne. How are you? Wayne says, been looking at GGB, but dropped hard recently. Any news on this one? I know the revenue's been growing. So from that perspective, I think it looks pretty good. Eve has a big facility. Yeah, Eve is one that I traded earlier in the year. Then they started diluting. And as soon as they started diluting, I got out of that stock and I've never looked back and they've been going down. So I say be careful with some of these penny stocks. We need to really position ourselves in the best. True Leaf, Green Thumb, Curaleaf, Afria, Canopy Growth. These are the ones that we really need to kind of start really getting to know very well. C-Web, Village Farms, Tilray, Aurora Cannabis. There's a few that we really need to position ourselves big time. And then there's everybody else. Levon says, I'm avoiding GGB myself. Brent is saying, what up, Rich? GNLN. Yeah, Green Lane. They definitely went down a lot. So the upside for GNLN is huge, bro. I agree with you there. Big upside. Levon says, HARVIAN, my picks. I like both of them, but they need to become profitable, and neither is profitable, which is an issue. So until companies become profitable, it's a tough pill to swallow right now. Like, I'm not putting another dime into something that's not profitable. It's not happening. The market's punishing anything that's not profitable, so I don't want to get punished with it. One says not cannabis, but Linamar, LNR, having a nice run this week. Exclusive rights to make surgical robots. Hey, man, you know what? We can share whatever can make us money here. So it doesn't have to be cannabis. Thank you. Samsung says, I'm playing the 2.0 with Labs, 7,000 shares. What price did you get in at? Because I've been looking to get into Labs. It's looking very tasty at these levels. Very tasty under $4. My goodness. Did you just recently buy it? Samsung says, hope double up and flip into IIPR. Yeah, IIPR, the street, has some big boys talking about IIPR, man. They talking about it going up like 10x. Seems nuts, I know. I haven't bought it either, but that's what they talking about. It's what they saying. So who knows? Kyle says, why ACB? The though, what is it you like about the most? Could be big hits. I like ACB because they are one of the biggest cannabis companies in the world on a global scale. They're vertically integrated. They're very well capitalized with three of the top five Canadian banks. And I believe that they're going to be an absolute global giant. So I think at these prices, ACB is an absolute steal, in my opinion. Samsung, you got in at 525, 475, and 380. Okay, so you've been averaging down. I hope you win big, bro. Brent is saying SPRL is the next SBES. What does SPRL do, Brent? You're a beast, Brent. Yo, I'm writing that shit down, man. SPRL. Hold on. Let me add that to my Weeble watch list. Brent's picks have been on fire, man. Brent, you've been on fire, bro. You're a beast, man. Just dropping hit after hit after hit, winner after winner after winner. This is what we got in the community, man. It's the community that makes us so powerful. I'm just the messenger, man, but we got some brains, we got some beauty, we got some brawn in the community. So SPRL at 0037. You love those stinky pinkies, eh? Well, listen, man, if this thing can go to a penny, that's like 200%. I'm going to love this stinky pinky too, then. So I'll take a look at SPRL. Thank you for the pick, bro. Yo, Five Finger Limited, what's up, man? I mean, like, people keep talking trash about Aurora, but who's bigger than Aurora? Who's got what Aurora has? Very few. So Aurora, to me, is set up in every single vertical of the cannabis sector. They're set up. So they're going to be gigantic. They're going to be absolutely gigantic. Doesn't matter what the prices are today. This is only year one. We're not even legal in America yet. You guys have no clue what's coming. You have no clue what's in store. And it's going to be fireworks. Green gold. Anyways, I don't want to take too long. I don't want to take too much of your time. I'm going to go watch a hockey game. And there's Thursday night football. And there's trading to do. Guys, I'm making money on my phone, my trading academy. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I'm buying Bitcoin. I'm buying Forex. It's crazy, man. I'm buying stocks. I'm buying crypto. It's nuts, man. So if you guys want to join the academy, if you guys want to learn to trade, you want to actually be professional traders and learn different techniques, how to look for setups. Stocks are going up and stocks are going down. Holler at your boy, man. Call me, email me, richtvlive@gmail.com. Love to have you guys be a part of it. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We've been bringing you winners since 2017. We've been bringing it to you first when the cannabis stocks go up. I don't even have to pull up no more because I've been talking about it since day one. But I thought I'd pull up anyway since we had a nice green day. All right, guys. From one of these guys saying I'm calling you from my mom's house. I'm out. Peace.